Hello, I'm Steve Smith, co-founder of Finicity, and most recently the CEO of Finicity, now a MasterCard company. My current role with MasterCard is the Chief Engagement Officer for the Office of Engagement for Global Open Banking. Today we're going to be discussing open banking and the impact that open banking has on payments. Open banking really refers to the ability for an individual account owner, a consumer, a small, medium-sized business, regular business, to provide permission to access to their financial information associated with that account, or the services associated with that financial, the data associated with services in that financial account. And have that data actually sent to third parties who can utilize that data to provide other services and solutions on behalf of the account holder, the account owner. So, to put it simply, it's open banking really allows permission to access to an individual's personal financial information held with financial institutions and financial services providers. That's a great question. The fact is we've walked many of these tight ropes over the years in technology. In order to advance technology, you have to take these on and be prepared to really put yourself in the position of the consumer. When you think about the concept of democratizing data, then you have to put it within the framework of, well, how do you do that responsibly? How do you build out the right technology, connect the right dots, and ensure that not only are you removing the friction that we talked about that generates new value propositions and new benefits to the consumer, but you're also doing it in a very responsible way and in a way that doesn't increase their risk. If we can develop technology and new solutions that actually provide those safeguards, then that's a good thing and it meets that test. And well, I just think that open banking is going to impact every aspect of our financial services suite, over the next decade. So I don't see a single financial service, whether it's in straight up banking or wealth management or insurance, payments of all types, that doesn't in some way have or isn't in some way impacted, in a positive way with an open financial data network. It's true that the U.S. has been a leader kind of in the space from an innovation perspective. It's also true that Europe was really the leader from a regulatory approach to open banking, and really the naming convention of open banking as a result, of that. But the U.S. has been pushing innovation around use cases, from the democratized access to data for some time. When you permission access to data, financial data, and you truly, as an individual or a small or medium-sized business, can provide access to kind of a 360-degree view of your financial life, then number one, you can be underwritten more accurately. Number two, you can gain access to capital, whereas before maybe you couldn't gain access to capital. And number three, you can do it in a very digital, frictionless way that eliminates, the tedious process associated with lending and underwriting that we've often seen in the past. And then when you combine that all together with instant account opening, and the fact that we can instantly open an account, we can instantly be underwritten, we can instantly fund that account, we can instantly set up payments for a new loan that was just established in a digital way, and do it all in one single sitting, that seems extraordinary when you think about the way that we would go about that, even 2-3 years ago. So really exciting, times in financial services, and open banking. The Open Financial Data Network is really foundational in most of the innovation that you see in the fintech space today.